there A5 on these things, more shapes you can go. See, some like you can see other way you can go here. Simply these are the text 0, 1, 2, 3 numbers and A to Z letters are there. Individually letters are there. That is also text only. And this thing we can make a spring also. Suppose I will import this spring here. And I will make a threaded one. Yeah, spring. Okay. Yeah, this is a spring. If you make a thread also, thread is also there here. Yeah, you can export it. You simply click here and export it like this. These are the things are there. They have developed. You can see here. After selecting this one, previously by selecting this one, I didn't get anything, right? But after selecting this one, this is developed by created by Dracolin. Dracolin is developed by Dracolin. What does it mean? Means that is the person they have developed. And remember that only Tinkercad has developed only basic shapes only. That's why they didn't give anything by selecting this one. They have developed this one. All these things are developed by some other person. You can also develop your own part and you can upload here and you can see here and you can create. That's why they have asked you to create an account and upload your parts also. These things we can see. Created by Dracolin, something they have uploaded. These things. Suppose this one is developed by yeah. Some of the person this is the person he is the one developed this one. Delete. Select that one and delete. Press delete. Select that one and delete. Like that. Simply select this one and drag your cursor into the workplace so that it will no need to press control and no need to press shift and all those things. Simply press that one block cell and drag your cursor into the workplace like that. Like that you can import. And also you can see some of the like vehicles and machines are there. Like tire is there like these things. You can click on the more and all those things. See. And gear is also there like yeah, I will delete this one and I will also tell one of the important feature also basic shapes. Yeah. Suppose if I want to make a die, means a rapid tooling, we can call it as a like in rapid tooling also we can do right. If you want to make a die means I need to put an impression on all those things. So I will download a gear part and I want to make a die of the gear. So I will download a gear part. I no need to design and all those things. So I will go with the STL as Tinkercad. Yeah, I told you that this is accepting the STL files only, right? How to see that means you can see here export to STL.obj these things. Or we are using import, right? So import which will a Tinkercad suppose STL obj SVG. So I will download the STL only. So I will use this feature. Yeah. This one. This one I will download and I will import that one. Yeah, we have already done choose a file, import choose a file, and the STL I will download. Okay, really. So our dimension is okay. Scaling, if it is exceeding, it will give you a warning. It is taking, it is importing the file. You can see here. And we can place our, okay, we can place our gear here and we can make a die and we can print it also that one. See here. So just select that one and drag your cursor here and simply rotate it. We want to place your our gear here, and we will make a die and we can print that one. So we can make a 90. Yeah. So simply select a work plane. This one I want to place it here and move your cursor so that it will give the distance, make it 0 and drag your cursor here, and you can use the top plane. Yeah, you're okay. You can change the dimension of this one also. Yeah. Yeah, this is okay. And I want to make a die, right? So I will make it down. Yeah, this is okay. It will make it die something. Yeah. And make it as a whole. Now simply, yeah, okay, we can change the work plane here, work plane, and go here. Now just drag your cursor here and put it in a group. Yeah. See. Okay, we can change the color so that you can see it clearly. Yeah. This one is better. Or is it transparent also? See, this is how you can make a dice and all those things also for rapid tooling purpose. They might have 3D printing means like a customized shapes only, right? They suppose someone ask like I want to print, I want to make a die and all those things. You need to design it, and you need to, if you are going with the conventional way, you need to make a die. Instead of that, you can make a die like this also, and you can simply print it with the whatever it is. If you are using polymer or metal, anything, you can print this die like that. And I told you like text and all those things. Yeah, everyday objects, and these are the some of the features also there. You can explore all those things, and you can upload your own object also. See, like this. And I want to make a note of this one, like note here, and suppose here. Yeah, what is it? Yeah, die. I can call it as a die. Okay, so that you can see here. Yeah. And if you want to toggle the notes, so you can toggle the notes like this. If you want to delete, select that one and press delete, or you can go with the delete also. And also you want to rename your project means just select here rename. This is a name. This is some of the name. It is default. It is giving. So you can select a name like practice something. You can select it. Underscore one. Like that I can change. And these are the views and all those things. And you can see will fit all in view. Like this. It will fit actually. Suppose if you are having some more components, it will fit according to that one. And you can zoom and zoom out and all those things. As what we are doing with the cursor and all those things. And this is the switch to flat view. Like this it will go. Flat view means like a orthographic view. Yeah. So you can make it like this. And I told you how to edit the grid and all those in this grid dimension. You can make according to the printer and all those things. And after completing this one, I need to export into STL, right? Because that is the main purpose. Designing is not an enough purpose. We need to export into STL, and we can import into the printing software. Like we are using the Cura. Suppose if you are using the Cura, you can import it and slice it. So you can, and one more thing, this send to indicate the send to printer. See, picture ever design and send to Thingiverse, my manufacturing, like online respiratory softwares are there, right? You can send this design to Thingiverse also, these things, my manufacturer, I told you, right? These things also you can send it. And you can take your design to Autodesk. I mean, Tinkercad, because yeah, Tinkercad is developed by Autodesk only. That's why they have published Autodesk apps and all those things. You can see here, these things. So you can open in Autodesk Fusion and all those things. You can send it to these things also. Or otherwise, you want to send to print also, that is also possible. Export. Export to 3D print. Some of the printers are there here. MacroBoard printer and Astro printers are there. These printers are having the online like Instead of pen drive, they will directly import the file into the through online. Like that also you can go it. Or otherwise download the software and slice it, and all those things you can do. Just select the STL, and it SVG indicates the laser cutting purpose. I will show you that 2D image. I will show you with that SVG only we are making. Dot OBJ indicates that object, and mainly 3D printing softwares accepting the STL files only. So we can go with the STL, click on the STL. So it will download the model. See, so see, this is the, you can see the property of this one. That one. And why I am showing the property means that 634 MB indicates, right? Why I am showing that one means that property M means size. That document size will depends on the number of tessellations. As Krishnan sir already mentioned in yesterday's class, and all those file formats and tessellations, these things, that number of, it depends on the number of triangles on this size. Yeah. So this is how you can make a die and all those things. And roller purpose is the roller tool is also there. The shortcuts is also there. You can press the R button and make it get the roller and all those things. You can press escape, it will change. Yeah, we can make a roller and all those things. And what is the roller means? It will indicate, it will make a like a or reference plane. We can coordinate system. I can say it as a. Suppose if I make a my coordinate system, I will make it the top. Suppose if I am making my coordinate system here. So this is my coordinate system. Now I will select my object. See, it is giving some dimensions, right? In the top view we can see. See, with respect to coordinate axis, it is origin, it is giving dimension. So with respect to origin, from here to here, it is 34 mm. From here to here, 13 mm. Like a reference plane, we are taking how much distance it is there. Like that, it is roller purpose is that one only. Like a measuring roller indicates the measuring. And if you want to delete that one roller, you can just dismiss the roller like this. And one more also there, you can see this is a 3D design, and this indicates that blocks. Suppose the same object I need to be in the, this is like a 3D shapes, right? 3D shapes we can see. The same object I need to see in the 3D blocks. 3D blocks and bricks is there. So same object I need to visualize in 3D block. See, that gear is not taking because of the 3D blocks, it is not taking. You can change the color also like this. See, now it is taking. Choose 1x, 2x, 3x design shape like this. See, now it is taking, right? And you can change the code blocks also. Code blocks means the bricks and all those things. Yeah, bricks. See, like we are using these things like playing with these things, right? These bricks and all those things. This is how that looks like. Yeah, this is how it will build. And we suppose I want to make the same object with the, I want to show for visualization purpose, like for the general purpose. Instead of this, blocks are there. I am having the blocks, and how to build that blocks means this is how we can build the blocks, so that you will get this shape. Approximately, will get the shape. You can see the layers and all those things. 9 layers are there. In the first layer, our bricks will be like this. In the second layer, you can arrange your bricks like this. Third layer, you can arrange your bricks like this. Like this, you can arrange, so that you will get the shape. These things. Yeah, we will go with the 3D design. Yeah, yeah, and this is the one of the purpose, like I mentioned in the, yeah, introduction to CAD, 3D Tinkercad and basic shapes and Boolean operations and importing files. I already import the STL files, and one more I will import it. That is one different file format. And exporting file, I already show you that export, how to export the STL file and these things, and convert the 2D image into 3D model. What does the meaning of that? First of all, understand what is the meaning of the 2D image. 2D image can be import every image into the Tinkercad software and it will give the 3D shapes. No, it is not like that. I will show you some of the models which I already have. See, like this is like a Just yeah. Yeah, like this is like a Adidas logo is there. This is like some mainly you can say it as a indeed we can say it as a logos. We can import a logo. Some of them might have interested to print their own logo, or they might have own logos, or they might have interest in the print their college logo. These things they might have interested to print. You can directly you no need to design, but they might have struck in the design. They can design, but they might have struck them. They some people though they know CAD software, they can't able to do because this is like a splines and all those things are there. Exactly, we can't draw. So how to get this one means we are having some one beautiful feature in the Tinkercad. You can go with that. And this is the some of the shades we can see like this one. And this Apple logo is there. Yeah. And this is some of the feature Apple logo and this Indian map also we can do. And in this we will take the two of them. We will take it and remember. Yeah, I will show you. This I will hide it. Yeah, hide. Yeah, first we need to convert this image into that image can be a image format, either JPG or PNG, portable network graphic, anything you can take it, but there should be image format. First we need to convert this into SVG. What does the meaning of SVG means? Scalable vector graphics. Mainly that SVG can be used in the laser cutting. You can see here. In export you can see. For 3D print, these are the formats. For laser cutting, .svg they will use. Like we can say it as a wire cut. We can say it as a wire cut. We are having a wire cut, right? I might have interested to cut a shape in the my metal tube metal. Yeah, they can use this one .svg file and they can cut it. So first we can convert that into SVG file, that image. So this also I have given the link in the in the in the PDF that I shared circulate to you yesterday. First choose a file. Choose a file means choose that JPG file, image file. You can take it anything. Okay, I will go with the Apple logo. It will convert. Okay, now you can press the start button. You can download here. Click download. You can see also Apple logo how it will look like. Yeah, this is how it is giving. So exactly it will cut like that only. So we can we as we already converted into SVG, so we can directly import. See, Tinkercad support SVG file also, and the file size is up to 25 MB. Okay, we are having a KB file, so no problem. Or otherwise, you can directly import from URL also. I will show you. Okay, okay, I will show you. Suppose if I press, okay, no. Okay, we can we are having a file. We can choose the file. That SVG you need a URL. Downloads, right? The Apple logo. So it is my length is this one, and this one is you can see here art and art board is there. I need like this, okay. And length, these are the length and width of this one, this object, and that z-axis length you can adjust. That is in your hand. But this is the that image having the dimensions of this one. If you import this one, it will give like this, but it will exceed our what is it called? Our build volume, right? So we can scale it here 50. So it will exactly uniformly change it. Or otherwise, I will make it in 100 and I will scale it there. So just import it. See, it is changing, right? So it is very large. So you just press shift and drag it from anywhere. I will go with the diagonal and I will change it uniformly. So it is changing uniformly, right? Suppose if I didn't press the shift, now I didn't press the shift and I'm changing. See, it is changing like this. The shape is changing, right? I don't want that one. So press Ctrl Z. Yeah, press shift and scale it uniformly and drag it into our build volume. Now again we are getting some of the shape. I want to increase the thickness 2.32, so I will change it here something. like 3. So like this, yeah, like this you can import. And we are getting this one clearly. Why we are getting this clearly means sometimes, yeah, we can change the color better. Yeah, some we are getting this image means getting these details very clearly, this arc and all those things. It depends on your image quality only, picture resolution only. It depends. It purely depends on that one only. So I suggest you to, if you have any logos or these things, images are there, go with the HD images so that you will get the resolution is very high, so that you will get the some good shapes and all those things. Yeah, yeah. You might have asked like, do we need to do like this? Means it is the best way to do. I can say it as it, because if you go with the CAD modeling or anything means you need to go with the arcs and all those things. We need to go like this, splines and all those things. Instead, it will save our time. That's it. By simply taking a logo, that logo can be anything, your college logo or anything. You can print it like that. Yeah, okay. And you can attach that logo also, like basic shapes, and I will attach it here. I can attach my logo here and I can get that one. Previously what we did, right? So we can work plane, take a work plane and define the dimension here. Simply drag here and make it 0 and go with the top plane so that you can adjust clearly. You can bring this one to here. Go with the scaling of this one and just select this one and group it. Change the work plane, press work plane and press anywhere on the space. See, this is a way we are getting. Also, we can, if you want, you can make a die by simply making a hole and make a die also. So you can move it here. If you want to lock the position, just press this one and lock it. Now you can't able to change anything. Only thing you can change is color. That's it. Color only you can change. And you can hide also. You can make a note and all those things we can make it. So just unlock it and change the color into yellow, and that will be transparent anyway, like this. So transparent means like a glass one, right? We can see the other shape also. See, like a glass one for your visualization purpose. Like that, you can drag your all those things and scribble pad and all that. You can make also your favorites also. Like here, you can see favorites is there, right? Suppose more favorites is mostly here using some of the shapes and all those things. Mostly I might have used the text, so I will make it into favorite. You see in the favorites, text is in your favorites. Like that also you can use it. And you can actually hardware, you can see thread and all those things, it is there here. Some of the shapes is there, gear and also there. Yeah, one more thing, if you import a gear, the beauty of this one you can see, I will tell you. Just select this one here, not this one. You can take one more shape generator. Yeah, yeah, this is a thread, isometric thread is there, right? I will import this one. You can see here. You might have asked like, we are importing the thread, can't be able to change the dimensions and all those things. You can change it here. Pitch and all those things. You can make your own pitch, define your own pitch. 2 mm pitch I need. And like rotations, these are the rotations I need. Yeah, see, it is changing, right? Like this. And yeah, like this it is rotating. And simply make a thread cut, right? How to do that means, first I will change this into transparent. I will move this one. Yeah, simply drag your this one here. In this you can drag it. is okay, and make a hole and group it. See, you can see the threaded one, right? These things. You can make a thread cuts also like this also, you can make it. All those things are there. It depends on you how you are using also. Or otherwise, if you want to make your or otherwise if you want to make your own thread and all those things, I can suggest you that like this is having some triangular threads are there. You might have interested in the square threads. I can suggest you that just import that file into the import that STL file here. Like how I imported the gear, right? Like that you can just import that one and you can make a thread on this part. You can make a hole and you can do all those things. Like that you can do. And this is the custom test ring is there. Like I am interested to put this in a cylinder and all those things. Like that you can take it. These things arc and all those things you can adjust and you can get the shape. You might have warp feature. I can say it as a warp feature. You might have interest in the curved shapes. Put this text in the curved cylinders and all those things. It is like a curved.
साइनिज इलेक्शन होगा मेरी क्या कितने लेक्चर हो गए 11 12 अभी सिलेबस में आ गया डायरेक्टर साहब ने सिलेबस का एवरेज सिलेबस तो उस पे भी बात होगी 70% हो गया 70% कैसे अरे मैं जिसके में जो रजिस्टर दे देता ना उसी का मैं एक रह गया रुक जा
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. Yeah. This is how you can import these things and all those things. And if you want to hide, I already told you hide this one. Yeah. Select particular. You can change the position. I already hide that one. You can change the position. And if you want to scale this one, once again I'm telling, just select this one, press shift and scale uniformly. Like this. I don't want this much of, I don't want to print this much of, so I can print that. This one. Press shift and scale it. And you can mirror also these things. Suppose I will select this one, as I already selected this one, and with respect to this arrow, I can mirror. See, that will come down, right? This arrow means that up and down. Up, down will become up. That's it. So I don't want that. And this left will become right, right will become left, and front will become back, back will become front, like this. If you see this one, now you can see this one, mirror. This is very understanding. So logo will come down, okay? See, up, down. So it will change like this. Like that you can mirror. And if you want to copy the same thing means just press this one and press copy here, duplicate. Or otherwise press Control C, I think will work maybe. Yeah, Control C and Control V also will work. Or duplicate also, you can make a duplicate here. Yeah, this is a copy and duplicate is different. Duplicate is a file, I think so. Yeah. Duplicate means it will come into there only. It will include into the part only. But Control C is different. It will come in the left side or right side. See, Control C, Control V. See, it is coming in the right side of the part, right? Suppose if I click duplicate, our part is already there inside. So we can make it transparent and we will see. It is not changing transparent because our part is already there inside. See, like this. Like this, you can make a duplicate and all those things. And that once again, I'm telling controls, mouse controls is you need to understand. Press shift, sorry, press right mouse button and to change the orientation. Viewing angle, you can change it. Scroll down button, zoom in, zoom out, and left mouse button is to select. That's it. And also, if you select this one, this is also will be useful. Suppose I want to rotate, move this object, just press this one, and move means change the length and all those things. And to move around, to move about z axis, is just press the cone shaped one, like this, and make 0. Like that, you can make threaded shapes and all those things. You can make it. And you can explore all the shapes and shape generators, these things also you can explore. Yeah, I told you how to convert that image and into 3D. Yeah, one more thing I will show you. The scale we will do it. We'll complete in 5 minutes this one. Suppose this time I will take this Indian map and I will take this one. We'll download it. Again, I will import it. Import from, yeah. It will directly accept these files. Okay, this is the shape. Okay. Okay, this time I will scale it here instead of there. Oh, sorry. This time I will scale it here. Yeah, again, some 40. Yeah, this is okay maybe. So we will export the, yeah, see. So simply select this one and press shift and scale it. Yeah, why I'm, this we will hide it. We'll hide these things. Yeah, why I am exporting this one means there is a purpose is there. It should, yeah. Yeah, okay. See here. We can see this SVG image first of all. And you can see here inside we are not getting any solid and all those things. Why means it will take that background, you can see. That background is completely, this is white and this is white. So while converting, it will consider this is the path actually. For Apple logo, it is not like that. Inside black color is there, like black and white is there, right? It will consider like that only. So that is why we are getting only surface only. Inside halo, we are not getting. Suppose if I, one more, for that purpose only I have taken one more thing. Suppose if I take this one, you can see inside background is completely blue red and the edges is also blue. So I will start this one and we will see how it will look like. I have given this website also, in that way you can see here SVG converter. Now you can see completely black and inside the shape is different, the shape is different, right? Inside completely black, white is this. So it will take the edges of this one only and it will give that only. So we will import that also. And scale it to 30. Hit 10. Yeah. Yeah, you can see here. Press shift and scale it. Oh, sorry. Press shift and scale it. Yeah. Again, press shift and scale this one. Yeah. This is how you can able to get these shapes like and you can able to print it also by exporting this into STL. Simply STL, you can able to print this one and whole build will actually come down here. These two will get printed. Whatever the shapes is there, that will come, that will print actually here. That will give here models. So this is how you can print it. And one good thing you should remember is that the image should be quality one. Otherwise, you won't get the exact shape. These are the HD images I have taken. So I am getting the shape as perfectly. See these things. So these things I am getting perfectly because of that only. Image is a quality one. There is no like, you can see. Suppose if I make a resolution and on the, if I zoom it, it is not, the details is not changing, right? That is what. Yeah, this is how you can be able to convert the low images and all those things. And remember that images should be a 2D image only. It is not like a 3D image. Like you can't able to print your photo and all those things. It is not like that. It should be a 2D image. Like I show you, right? These some of the like this is also you can print it logos and all those things. These things it will give you, and you can print those things. You can play with them. We'll delete this one. I will show all. Yeah, I will move this one. I told, yeah, we have completed like how to convert the Tinkercad and how to make dice, like a rapid tooling and all those things, and how to make import images into STL file. These things we have seen. Now we will go with some. I have show you that exercise. In that I have given you exercise, right? I will explain about that exercise, and I will wind up. You can follow with the step-by-step procedure is there. And for GrabCAD and Thingiverse only, you need to sign up. For sorry, GrabCAD and Tinkercad only, you need to sign up. For Thingiverse, you no need to sign up. You can directly download. I have given the links and all those image for your understanding purpose only. I have given that image. You can take any image and you can convert. It's up to you. And scaling and all those things I show you. Yeah. And this is the exercise. Prepare the model using Tinkercad features. Using Tinkercad features means this is basic shapes. You can use it and prepare a model and convert into STL. And remember that in that model, you should add your name also. Anywhere you can add it, no problem. Anywhere on the model, you can add it. Like I have added my name here, right? Like 3D, I have added name here, right? Like that, you can add anywhere on the surface. And you can use any of the features. I'm expecting some of the good features, not instead of basic shapes. Like these things also you might have used, you might have explored it. I'm expecting that one from you. And prepare a model by converting image into 3D. This I have already explained 3 times, right? By taking any image, 2D image, you can take it and convert into SVG and import that SVG file into 3D Tinkercad and upload that STL file. These things we will give you, like we will circulate a Google form and you can upload there in the Google form by 1:30 or something. We will give you, and we will give you some sufficient time, and you can upload it. But like we will give you by tomorrow, by this time, tomorrow 1 o'clock, before 1 o'clock, we can upload so that we will correct it. This. So understand, or any doubts is there? Yeah, my part is over. That's it. Any doubts?
Let us know what is the status of your signing in. Actually,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yesterday itself, you can put it in the chat box if anybody is not done signing up or any difficulty. Let us know.
Yes, sir. That's me.
Or you can unmute yourself and you can ask if you are having any. Somebody is asking some array command. Array command.
Array, where is that array command? Copy commands is there actually. Copy, mirror, these things are there. What is the meaning?
The array may be pattern. He may be asking like a pattern command. Normally, you will get multiple copies.
Yeah, copies. Yeah. Yeah, I will tell you.
Is it the thing that?
No, can you mute? Arti Rana, can you mute your mic and say, or can you post it in chat box clearly? Is it a copied one? How to copy these things? Okay, if
Is
it
it
is
that is the doubt? You can interact. You can unmute your mic and then you can ask.
No, I didn't understand. No, first of all, I didn't understand the meaning of the array. That's why I'm asking. What is that array?
Maybe multiple copies, maybe.
Yeah, if it is a multiple copies, I will tell you how to do that.
Or otherwise maybe pattern, some kind of pattern will be there. Na? He or she maybe.
Yeah, if it is a multiple copy, we can in this we can use a copied feature. How to do that means just select this one and press Ctrl C or press copy here and paste it here, Ctrl V. Like that you can make any copies like this. See, and you can move your object. Yeah, like you might have interested to print the same objects like five times. I need to print it means you can take like this also. Yeah.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
I'm Aarti Rana, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
tell me.
actually, array command, etc., we use in CATIA software and AutoCAD also. Like, if we want to copy that image in all corners at the same pattern, same place.
Okay.
Like if we copy this image like gear this one gears etc or
Yeah.
this yes sir, so this one is at same places in all corners means the
Okay,
means
okay, I
exact
understand.
same places.
Yeah, I understand. Like a linear pattern you are asking.
Yes sir.
Yeah.
If we just copy that image and just paste that we not found that kind of accuracy which we found in array command.
Okay, okay. Like I understand that. I mean, in CATIA it may be array, but in other software like a pattern, like linear pattern, circular pattern, right?
Yeah,
Circular
right,
array.
sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
circular
right.
array. I can say it as a
Yes, sir.
circular. Yeah, yeah. The difference is this one. All that's why they call it as a online. They will. We can make it as a all these features. We can't able to explore these things. That is like advanced features. I can say it as some basic comments they will give. Like with that basic comments only we can proceed. And if you want to do that one means you just press control like what I did, right? Press Control C and all those things. And you can make a distance and all those things also, like make a plane and define distance like this, you can move. Like this also you can move. I understand that you are interested in the linear pattern and all. That is like in sketching. We are not going with the sketching and all those things. We are simply exporting our basic models and we are exporting and we are playing with that models only, like playing with the Boolean operations and all those things like that. If there is any sketching part is there, those options they might have included there. Since we are not doing any sketching, so we can't those options we can't able to found here. Is it okay?
Yeah. Is there any other questions or clarifications?
Yeah, clarification regarding the exercise or any sign up and all those things.
No, you can put in the chat box yes or no, like whether you have say gone to your say signing up. No, I'm not getting any response. You type if you already done yes, or if you're not done, you type no. Whether you
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Yes, can sir.
Can
Sir, like, yeah, sir. So
yeah,
can we, why, like, only we are importing SVG format right now?
yeah.
So, yeah, any other format for 2D logos or anything we can import?
No, actually, I show you right this one. Wait, I show you right. Import only
Yes,
import.
yes, sir.
Tinkercad support STL, OBJ,
OBJ,
and that
SVG.
STL and that STL OBJ indicates that 3D modeling files. Only
Yeah.
only thing is SVJ. See, you can see here export. Only for SVJ is the image format. You can convert that image into 3D like that. That's why we are having the .svg file. Scalable vector graphics, we can call it as a.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
So for 2D only we can import or export SVG file.
Yeah. For laser
Okay.
cutting, we can import .svg file also.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. The same thing, like you can export that SVG, and the same thing you can give it to the wire cut operator. Suppose like tool design operator is there, right? I mean, I'm talking about the conventional manufacturing. Tool design operator, they will cut the shape exactly. You no need to make a design and all those things. That is what.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, this is Prajakta Subedar. Now, I have a question. Now, these SVC file can be used for filament printing.
3D printing, you are saying?
Yeah, filament.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can. Yeah, for 3D printing, it will support actually STL files, so that you have converted the SVG file into STL, right?
Okay, we need to
Yeah,
convert SVG to
STL.
STL files and
Yeah,
then we can print.
yeah,
Okay,
only.
directly we can't use.
Yeah, only SVG is only supports in the CAD only. In CAD to convert
Okay.
into to convert into 3D, we are using the .svg file, and later we can
Okay.
convert into 3D model. SVG is
Okay.
a 2D only, 2D shape only, 2D image only.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, thank you. Yeah, any other is there?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
if I am doing an design in AutoCAD file,
Okay.
so the output will be .dwg.
Okay.
So can I convert that .dwg file into STL?
.dwg indicate the drawing only actually. Drawing
Yeah,
is like a 2D
that's
only, 2D only. Yeah,
yeah,
I
2D.
understand. Yeah. If you want to convert that into, okay, I understand that. If you want to convert the DWG file, you can convert that into the AutoCAD itself only. AutoCAD itself means like 3D model. 3D dot DWG is a 2D, and 3D is like SLD PRT dot PRT and CATIA dot CAD PRT. These things are the 3D formats.
Okay.
And STL IGS these are the universal formats. That means every software will accept it. That is the main matter. To convert that into, you need to go with the AutoCAD itself only.
So in the AutoCAD itself, I can convert DWG to STL, is it?
Yeah. First you need to convert that into 3D shape first of all, because drawing, that is like a drawing only. Simply by taking the drawing, we can't expect a 3D, because there might be some shapes may be different, right? It is not like a simply extrude and all those things. All those features may be there, like left hand view, right hand view, all those things are there, right?
Okay.
So you can't able to get the 3D shape in the all by combining all these shapes. So you need to work on it on the AutoCAD 3D actually.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, any other is there? So if no doubt is there, we can stop here and we'll take a break.
No, you can instruct them like when let
Yes,
us
sir.
know like if there are any
Yes, sir.
difficulty in signing up or logging into now itself. Why?
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
they have to
I will
complete
yeah.
your they
Yeah, I
have to
will.
complete the they
Yeah,
have
I
to
will show
complete
you.
their
Yes, I will show you. I will log out and I will show you this
once
one. Yeah, tell
once
me.
again once again you show that.
Yes.
So still if anybody is having difficulty, then you can put in the chat box or you can ask. You can
Okay.
unmute,
I
you can
think
unmute and you can ask.
I will log out and I will show you.
Yeah, once you show
I
them once.
signed out, right? See, now everyone will get like this only after opening the CAD. everyone will get like this. So I will click on the sign in. In this, they will ask you email or username, or you can directly log in with Google. Just sign in with Google. As I already signed in here, so it will directly sign in with my Google account. See, yeah, like that. You no need to go anything. You can, and also you can suppose if you want to edit this one means if you want to delete, then press setting and delete and make a duplicate and properties you can see. And if you want to edit this one, tinker this. Tinker this means edit this one. Or download this one means it will download into 3D. Tinker this, it will edit when it was edited, when it was created, these things. Yeah. Like this. And yeah, okay. So is it okay?
Yeah, if you are having any questions or clarifications regarding this assignment submission and the uh, completing the assignment, you can ask, you can interact. If you are having any difficulty to complete this or and logging in or signing in.
Yeah, you can interact. I will be here for till 11:30 till the next session starts. I will be here. You can ask me.
Yes.
Because this is a great time.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, where do we upload the STL files? I mean, in the
yeah, that is we will circulate a Google form to you. Once the session completed, we will circulate you. In that Google form, you can upload it.
Okay, and screenshots also to be, I mean, attached or something like that?
Yeah, screenshot, it is better. Screenshot you should attach.
Okay, yeah,
Suppose
thank you,
a
sir.
screenshot like 2-3 screenshots is enough. Yeah.
Okay, okay, per file we can attach 2 to 3 screenshots, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Srikanth,
Yes, sir.
Srikanth, there is a question in the chat box. Have you
Okay, okay. I will check it.
I don't know, like there is facing some error in the Thingiverse. Can you show them Thingiverse?
Yeah, just now I have shown Daniel. Okay.
Ashish is asking, facing this error, 500 internet server error, something it is showing.
Can I? Okay.
Thingiverse.
Okay, sir. Facing the share while signing up in Thingiverse. No, okay, I will show you. Okay, I will complete this one. Can I make STL file using CAD? Yes, sir. You can make STL file using CAD also. I mean, in 3D modeling software, CAD is like a 3D modeling software. They will provide this only. You can make STL or .obj, 3MF, and IGS. Maybe IGS won't support, but just saying. CAD will you can convert that CAD file into STL also. Okay.
So for each and every software, like commercial or open source, you will be having a provision that you go to the file formats, file save as, you can find one of them as STL. And even nowadays, you can even, some of the softwares even may take or directly save it as AMF or 3MF. But STL is sure guarantee that every software it will support saving it as a .stl file. So any other questions or any other things regarding this hands-on practice? Are you facing some difficulty? Let us know. You can put it in the chat box or you can unmute yourself and you can ask.
A grab card login successfully completed. Okay. Signing up in Thingiverse 505. Sir, you can log in with your Google account, sir. First of all, you can log in with your Google, then only it will sign in actually. I mean, you can log in your Gmail first of all, then it will directly enroute to the Google account. For this assignment purpose, what is the meaning of that? Okay, Jane Bahura.
Now, Dr. Jayant, what is your question? You can unmute and ask.
He asked, sir, means can I
Upload
upload
STL.
STL? No, sir. Actually, yeah, I understand that everyone can have a privilege to do their own software like CATIA, Creo, solvers. But why I'm saying means he can't able to convert these 2D images into the other software. See, Tinkercad is only having these features and all those things. That's why we are proceed with the Tinkercad and all those things. You need to learn this. Yeah. Okay. You need to know how to do the Boolean operation and all those things by using the basic shapes and all those things.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Yeah, I'm still facing the same error when signing up in. Actually, I signed up with my Google account, and I also got the verification mail. But when I click in that, it's giving me an error like why went the server error.
Okay,
I
okay.
get repeatedly for twice.
Yeah, okay. First of all, I should ask to the participants also. Is anyone facing the same error like 505 error or something? Or anyone logging? Yeah.
Sir, myself also facing same error, sir. For
Okay,
Tinkercad
okay.
itself. While we are verifying on Gmail with the verification code,
Okay,
it is showing in 500 internal.
okay, okay. So you got a message, any message from the Tinkercad to your Google account?
Yes, sir.
What is that message? Like verification email or anything?
Verify email.
Verification email.
Okay. After clicking that verification email, you are getting this one, right?
Yes, sir.
After clicking on that verification email.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then do one thing. Just leave that one and again sign in with the Google. It will give you, I think so.
Okay, sir.
Just forget about that verification email link and all those things. Just click on the Tinkercad website, this one.
Okay, sir.
And again sign in. It will give you. Yeah, how do I drag one object into another in Tinkercad and how do I remove work plane to proceed to create a work plane on another surface? First one I understand, I will explain. How do I drag one object onto another in Tinkercad? Okay. Suppose if I want to change this object position, I select that object and instead of and select anywhere on the object or anywhere on the object means apart from this corners. If you select that corner, it will highlight. So just click on the left mouse button and drag it. Like this. Like this you can drag it. And the other is, and how do you remove a work plane to proceed to create a work plane on another surface? Okay. Like you are asking a reference planes. How do I take a reference planes? Okay, I will tell you. Click on the work plane, here work plane, W, or otherwise you can press a W button also. W, it will give work plane. You exit, press escape. Yeah, okay, thank you. I think it solved your problem. Okay. So click on the work plane and drag the same as like in shapes only. Drag your cursor. Drag your mouse into the work plane and select any face. Suppose if I am selecting this face, it will give parallel to that. Suppose if I select this place, it will give parallel to that. Like this corner, you can see your work plane is changing diagonally, right? Like I am taking the corner of this one. Like that, it will see. Like that, you can take it. But now your work plane is changing, and all your dimensions will be defined according to this work plane only. Suppose, see, it is changing, right? And I will make this as a 0, like this. Like this. So with respect to that plane, it will give you. Mainly useful for the, if you want to add any other feature, it will be useful. And again, if you want to get back to your same previous work plane means click on work plane and click anywhere on the surface. That's it. Anywhere on the face. Like that, you can get it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, okay. I think issue solved. Okay.
Any other questions and any clarifications?
Yeah, once again, I'm telling you, for GrabCAD only, you need to create an GrabCAD and Thingiverse only, you need to create an account. For Thingiverse, you no need to create an account. You can directly download the part. I mean, for GrabCAD also, to download the part, you need to create an account. To view the parts and all those things, you no need to create. But we are getting downloads, right? So do that. This exercise also, I will tell you once again. Prepare a model using Tinkercad features means like basic shapes and all those Boolean operations are there, right? You can prepare your own model. And the second exercise is prepare by converting the image. Like I have taken some images, right? Like that, you also can take an image and convert into 3D and upload these two STL files and supported screenshots. That we will share you that Google Form will circulate you once the session completed. By this time, like by tomorrow 1 o'clock, before 1 o'clock, you can submit your assignments so that we will correct it.
Yeah, you make a note of the weightage of each and every question. That I think this is 10 plus 10.
Yeah, 10 plus 10. Yeah.
Yeah, let me explain. Let's say you have totally 100 marks. Totally 100 marks. So yesterday I think you have completed 15 marks. Huh? So
10 marks, 10 marks, please.
10 So 10 marks quiz yesterday, and today you are going to have 15 marks quiz, and quiz totally 65 marks, and 45 will be the lab assignments. So now, yeah, it is 20, and you are going to have another 15 marks, right? Yeah. 15 marks. Yes. Yeah, that 15 marks next tomorrow's assignment. So that is on Cura and other softwares, that is regarding your build setup preparation.